Here's how to set up Clownfish to use in Discord. So first of all, go to your browser and search for Clownfish voice changer and open the official Clownfish voice changer website. Once you are in this website, click on download now and close ads. In here, choose any options to download Clownfish voice changer. Once you've successfully downloaded the Clownfish voice changer exe file, now it's time to install it on our PC. So launch the voice changer installer and click on next, and finally click on install. Once it's successfully installed, now we have to launch the Clownfish app. Once it's opened, click on the show hidden icons and here you will find the Clownfish voice changer. Now we have to set up it. So right click Clownfish icon and hover over on setup, hover over on microphone and select here your current microphone device. And then click on set voice changer. And this is the Clownfish voice changer dashboard. Now before applying any voice effect, we need to activate Clownfish voice changer. To do it, click this icon and double click on Clownfish voice changer icon and it will be activated. Now from this Clownfish voice changer dashboard, you can actually you can choose robotic voice effect, you can choose male pitch, and here we can see the preview, and
you can choose female pitch.
You can actually choose baby pitch, so you can get bunch of different voice effects, and you can
also customize your voice from this settings section. And now all you have to need, go to your Discord and go to user settings, go to voice and video settings. Under microphone, you just need to select your current microphone here. And now whenever you join in a Discord voice channel, or you can when you join in a call, your voice will automatically change using the Clownfish voice changer. So this is how we can actually use Clownfish voice changer in Discord. Thanks for watching.